Have you ever stared at your investment account, money burning a hole in your virtual pocket, just waiting to be deployed? Yeah, we've all been there. You finally decide to take the plunge, to grow your wealth and secure your future. But then a pesky question pops up. How long does it actually take for that money to land in your Betterment account and get to work? Fear not, future financial gurus, because that's exactly what we're here to dissect today. We'll crack open the Betterment vault, unveil the deposit process, and shed some light on those all-important timelines. So, settle in, get ready to boost your investing IQ, because understanding deposit times can be the difference between watching your money grow and, well, watching your money sit there. Not exactly the recipe for financial domination. First things first, there are two main scenarios to consider: depositing into your Betterment checking account and fueling your investment goals. Let's tackle the checking account first. Imagine you're transferring money from another bank account to your Betterment checking. If you initiate the transfer from within Betterment itself, the wait time can be between 4 to 5 business days. That might sound like a bit of a haul, but here's the thing: transfers initiated from your Betterment account involve a few extra steps behind the scenes. Think of it like extra security checks to make sure everything's squeaky clean. But what if you initiate the transfer from your other bank side? Good news. In that case, the funds typically appear in your Betterment checking within 1 to 2 business days. Faster is always better, right? Now, let's shift gears and focus on those investment goals. This is where your money gets to work, building your future nest egg. Deposits into your investment goals generally follow a similar 1 to 3 business day timeline. There are a few key factors that can influence this time frame. The first is, shocker, business days. Weekends and holidays don't count, so plan your deposits accordingly. Remember, the stock market operates Monday through Friday, with specific opening and closing hours. Betterment avoids trading during those volatile periods, ensuring they get you the best possible price for your investments. So, while you might be eager to jump in, a little patience can go a long way. Another factor to consider is your bank. Every bank operates at its own pace, and some transfers might take a bit longer on their end. Don't blame Betterment, they're just waiting for your bank to send the party favors, your money, over. Finally, keep in mind that these are just estimates. Unexpected delays can pop up, so a little flexibility is always a good thing. But hey, that's the beauty of online investing platforms like Betterment. You can easily track your deposit progress and get real-time updates on the status of your hard-earned cash. So, there you have it. The not-so-secret secrets of Betterment deposit times. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. By understanding the process and keeping those timelines in mind, you can ensure your money gets where it needs to be, when it needs to be there. No more staring at your account in frustration, just the satisfaction of watching your investments flourish. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.